How do you generate dynamic, parameterized, unit tests in Python? I have some kind of test data and want to create a unit test for each item. My first idea was to do it like this. The downside of this is that it handles all data in one test. I would like to generate one test for each item on the fly. Any suggestions?
This is called parameterization. There are several tools that support this approach. For example, PyTest's decorator, parameterized. The resulting code looks like this. Which will generate the tests. For historical reasons, I'll leave the original answer circa 2008. I use something like this.
Using unittest, since 3.4. Since Python 3.4, the standard library unittest package has a subtest context manager. See the documentation. 26.4.7. Distinguishing test iterations using subtests. Subtests. Example. You can also specify a custom message and parameter values to subtest. Using nose. The nose testing framework supports this. Example, the code below is the entire contents of the file containing the test. The output of the nose test command.
This can be solved elegantly using metaclasses.
As of Python 3.4, subtests have been introduced to unittest for this purpose. See the documentation for details. Testcase.subtest is a context manager which allows one to isolate asserts in a test so that a failure will be reported with parameter information, but it does not stop the test execution. Here's the example from the documentation. The output of a test run would be This is also part of Unittest 2, so it is available for earlier versions of Python.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.